Bedtime Stories. I'm Gammie, and I am so happy that you could join me tonight for story time. I hope you've had a wonderful week wherever you've been. Hope you've been able to get outside and enjoy this beautiful weather we've been having. It's just been gorgeous. And I hope you enjoy our story tonight. It's a story about something that Gammie has never done before. And so I'm excited about the story. So without further ado, let's get right on into our story. Permission for our reading tonight has come from Cottage Door Press. And the name of our story tonight is Brave Little Camper. Looky there. He almost looks like he's smiling. Let's see what Brave Little Camper's getting into. Gammie's never been camping before. Never. I have never been camping before in my life. I know that it was something that probably years ago that I might have been interested in, but not so much anymore maybe. Probably hard on Gammie's back. But it looks like a whole lot of fun. So let's see what goes on in the story. Hi, I'm Little Camper. I'm spending the night in the forest for the very first time. Ooh. Hey, what was that sound? I visited the forest during the day lots of times. What was that? But everything seems different at night. It's dark, and so, it's kind of hard to see. And nighttime sounds, they are different from daytime sounds. And they are too, aren't they, boys and girls? You might have already been camping during your time, but Gammie hasn't. But I do know sometimes I love sitting out on the porch and listening to all the sounds at night, the frogs and the whippoorwills and all kinds of little animals that you can hear at night, and watching the fireflies. I love doing that. Gammie used to catch those. I used to catch them in a little jar and poke little holes in the lid, and you could see them light up in the jar. I used to love doing that when I was little. Let's see what else he notices. Uh-oh. Did you hear that? I wonder what animal made that sound. Look, there's a little baby bear. Hi, baby bear. Where's your mommy? Don't be scared. You're safe here with me. Look at all the animals that the brave little camper sees. There's rabbits, and there's those little fireflies. They're everywhere out there. There's the owl. He goes, woo, woo. There's little birds, little raccoons and frogs, and there's a little bear, a little baby bear, and a squirrel. Oh my goodness. Wow, there sure are a lot of sounds to hear in the forest at night. And the forest, it feels a little bit colder at nighttime than during the day, too. It's because the sun went down, isn't it, boys and girls? But that's okay, baby bear. We'll be warm by the campfire. They got a big campfire going, don't they? Look, little baby bear, he's warming his paws. Let's see here. Let Gammie put the book down just a minute. There we go. I'm getting sleepy. But all the forest noises are starting to sound just like a lullaby. Good night, little bear. Sweet dreams. Oh, look. Little bear, he's done made him a pallet right there at the edge of the little camper. There's the little rabbit. He's done made a pallet right there. He's gone to sleep. And the frog and the raccoon. Over there's the squirrel. He's curled up with his little fuzzy tail. They've all gone to sleep. Oh, it's almost morning. The sun is starting to come up. Look here are all the animals that we heard. And here comes your mommy. Little bear, the nighttime forest, well, it's just full of friends. The end. Look at them. Aww. There were a lot of noises, weren't they, boys and girls? Well, Gammie hopes that you enjoyed our story tonight, Brave Little Camper. And if you've ever gone camping before, when you go camping, listen for those animal sounds at night and see if you can pick out any of them. See if you can hear the frogs or the hoot owl. Any of the animals. There's all kinds of little animals at night. The whippoorwills, they're really sweet too. See if you can see any of those fireflies. And so if you enjoyed the story tonight, boys and girls, Gammie would love it if you would give me a big thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe to Gammie's Bedtime Stories. I would appreciate that so much. I appreciate every single one of you that come back every week and listen to Gammie's Bedtime Stories. It means the world to me. You'll never know how much. And until story time again, God bless you all and sweet dreams. Bye-bye.